See, I have been reading and doing a lot of research with regard to Hyderabad and Hyderabad history. Particularly when I say that Charminar is thing and all. Charminar is the icon of Hyderabad. It's not, as everybody said, anything. What exactly happened, there was a stone which was there. Then I wrote a letter, particularly under RTI Act, Archaeological Survey of India. It's a when did you take over? Number one question. Then what was there at that time? Do you have any photograph? You are thing? They have not even replied at all. Then again I moved it and all. Because the greatest you can say that culprit here, Archaeological Survey of India. Because they knew everything, what exactly has happened. And particularly, the officers who are there, they are Hindus. They have their own agenda. Correct. I am also a Hindu. Honestly, I am telling you. And deliberately, they don't answer at all. Then I went to Greater Municipality. I have given any permission I asked. Physically, he said no permission at all. At that time, who was the officer? It was Narendra Luthar. And that man, he keeps on writing the books, half-baked histories, and half-baked histories. There is no question of and all. It is more of novels. And trying to sell away. This thing, I went to him personally asked. Yes, I know that it was only stone. Then why did you stop it? Then no answer. There is a nexus between bureaucracy and politicians destroying the whole of India. If not only the politician, even the officers, they don't have guts at all. Otherwise, they will be thrown out. They will be wasting.
Narendra Luthar sincerely. That immediately was.
No, he did not.
No, he wanted to do.
No, I asked him.
He never did it. He never did it. If he had done that,
he wrote history as to what he
if he
thought
had
was
done
history.
No. Subject for me, I said. Any note? Whether you say that no, then no note was not there. That's why, sir, I appeal to all of you also that if you have any other information, we got to move the court with all these things and all. That's why evidence is needed. Any other things, I have got the photos from Archaeological Survey of India. At the same time, our own archives and all. The photos, 1970, even 1700. Even I got a rare photo of from the books of this one, Meadows Taylor. Taylor. The first he painted about Hyderabad Charminar, he was Meadows Taylor. He was an officer, military officer, and in fact he was father of CID department. Meadows Taylor worked here as a superintendent of police. He started, including Everest, so-called Mount Everest. He was the Surveyor General of Hyderabad. Yeah. And he made maps and things. Even same maps we are using, Government of India did precious little, nothing about road survey, and we said they have developed and all. Same bloody map they are using it. Anyway, that's a different issue. The question is, from there the records were done. The photos of Charminar, I have 7 photos, different things done. Clearly they said that nothing was there. Nothing. Bearing what is done.
Except Charminar.
Except Charminar. From all the angles, sir. East, west, north and south. Not only one angle. This one done. Aerial photo also I have. This one done. Other photos. And we are moving this one done. And Bhagyalakshmi, I said, Agama Shastra is done. In Agama Shastra, every idol how to be made, that details are given. There is no mention of Bhagyalakshmi anywhere. And Bhagyalakshmi, there is no other temple anywhere in India. What is Bhagyalakshmi and the thing? And what is Bhagyalakshmi? Because their intention is to change the name of Hyderabad into Bhagyanagar. That is a different issue. That is not done. For that reason, that means total identity to lose. That is the conspiracy. Third, the political conspiracy. Now, this is another angle. This is one angle I am fighting under the case and all. Kindly help me out without the literature, without the material, photos, anything in that. If you just remember, I'll come and correct it. Now, the BJP and your MM, to pull, see, at the time when Marichanna Reddy was CM, the Rajshekar Reddy created communal problems, at least he is accused of fighting done. Now, Jagan, same thing, Jagan and MM joining together to sort out this problem so that Telangana Masla should be relegated to limbo of history, unwept and unsung. These are the two. Telangana issue to be relegated to the limbo of history, unwept and unsung. That is another issue there that we should be taken care of other things. Sir, I appeal to all, if we cannot stop now, we can never stop, and already Hyderabad lost everything in the things. It is high time. Sir, you come forward as a what leading this and that. You, sir, you come forward and that. We all protect it and that. And we'll go to the people. We'll say that these are the what historical truth, and we'll say. In fact, I never knew that we are so many things. I wrote a small article also with a lot of photos, evidence, because nobody trusts me. Because I'm a small person. I'm not a university professor. I'm not a what a great historian. But people say that what that's why I'll go with what a poor man with all the original evidences. I'll keep and they'll keep quiet. With original evidence, sir. That's why this is the time to move the water court. At the same time, you all give the water. Press is hang the water court. Sir, yourself will hang. Very important role to play in this direction. Thank you very much, sir.